Hey everyone. Hey. Sam here. And guess who's with me today? Someone who had 3 coffees before recording.
Hey guys, it's Lily, and yes, I'm fully caffeinated. Don't judge. Sam, how's your day going so far?
Pretty good, actually. I had a super productive morning. Took a walk, planned my week, and tried to act like an adult for
Oh,
once.
wow, impressive. My morning was chaotic. A bird attacked my toast. Long story? Not important.
So guys, today's video is all about talking about your future, using all the common future tenses, but in a simple, natural, funny way.
Exactly. We're breaking down phrases, giving examples, and teaching you how to sound confident and natural when talking about future plans.
So stay with us. And hey, before we start, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell, because future you will thank you.
Yes, future you is cooler, smarter, and speaks better English. Thanks to us! All right, let's jump in.
All right, first up, the super common structure, be going to. We use it for plans or when we're sure something will happen.
Yeah, like when Sam says, I'm going to start exercising, but we all know he won't.
Hey, I am going to. Okay. Example time. I'm going to travel to Japan next summer. This means I've decided. The plan exists.
Right. Or, I'm going to study more this year. Same thing, decision already made.
Oh, quick vocabulary note. The word plan means an intention, something you want to do with some preparation. Repeat, plan.
And another word, prediction, meaning guessing about the future. We'll need this for the next section.
Perfect. Let's keep going.
Now, will. We use will for decisions we make at the moment or predictions.
Like when someone says, "Oh, I'm cold." And I go, "Oh, I'll close the window." Decision right now.
Or prediction. People will use AI for everything. We don't know, we just think.
Exactly. Oh, and a quick word. Prediction means guessing about the future based on what you know.
And here's a fun example. I think Sam will finally exercise someday.
Okay, that's enough bullying for today. Let's move on. All right, this one's supernatural. Present continuous for future. You use it when the plan is confirmed, like fully confirmed.
For example, I'm meeting my friend at 6. This means the plan is fixed.
Exactly. Here's another. I'm flying to Berlin next week. Ticket bought, plan locked.
So, what's the difference between going to and this one?
Good question. When you use present continuous, the plan feels scheduled.
Vocabulary break. Scheduled means set on a timetable, arranged officially.
Nice. Let's continue.
Next, future perfect. We use it for talking about something that will be finished before a specific time in the future.
For example, by 2030, I will have learned 3 new languages. That means sometime before 2030, done.
Another one. By next Friday, Sam will have eaten 20 sandwiches. I believe in you.
Hey, those are achievable goals. Vocabulary time. Achievable means possible, realistic. Use it.
Future perfect sounds academic, but trust me, you can use it naturally in daily life.
All right, next tense. Now we've got future continuous. This is for actions happening at a specific moment in the future.
Example, this time tomorrow, I'll be flying to Spain. Action in progress at a moment.
Or, don't call me at 9. I'll be studying. Actually, that one is a lie. I'll be sleeping.
Vocabulary time. In progress, happening at that moment.
And this tense sounds very natural when talking about schedules.
Let's bring all the tenses together with real-life situations.
Travel. I'm going to visit Italy next year. I'm flying there on May 12th. I'll be staying in Rome for the first week. By the end of the trip, I'll have eaten 40 pizzas.
That last one is accurate. Career. I'm going to start a new course next month. I'm meeting the instructor on Monday. I think it'll help my career. By next year, I'll have improved my skills a lot.
Relationships. I'm seeing my cousin this weekend. She'll probably bring her new dog.
Let's explain a few words people always confuse. Word 1, deadline.
A deadline is the final time you must finish something.
Word 2, intention. Intention equals what you plan or want to do.
Word 3, arrangement. Arrangement equals a plan that's confirmed with other people.
Word 4, schedule. Schedule equals a fixed timetable.
All these help you talk about the future more clearly. All right, guys, we covered everything. Future plans, predictions, schedules, all the good stuff.
Now it's your turn. Comment below and tell us, what is one thing you're going to do this year? We want to see your future.
And hey, if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
Because their future needs help too. See you in the next video.